Hello, guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. So let's go and discuss the most important topic, and which is antibiotic resistance. Everyone, you actually should know this thing, the fucking thing, because a lot of people suffer that antibiotic don't work, antibiotics don't work. Why they don't work in my body? Why they don't work? Why they don't release the good hormone for the sake of decreasing the bad hormones of the diseases? So here is the answer for every one of you. Listen to the slide very carefully, because it is about something different. Okay? So first of all, let me introduce the antibiotic resistance. Antibiotic resistance occurs when bacteria change in a way that makes antibiotics, means medicines used to kill bacteria, okay, which is used, that is called an antibiotic, so less effective. If antibiotic is less effective, then something is wrong with your antibiotic, or can be something bad with the bacteria. So it's like a bacteria learning how to defend themselves against the antibiotics, making it harder for the medicine to work and treat your infection. That's why antibiotics don't work. So this can be a problem, because it means some infection may become more difficult to treat, and we need to find new ways to fight these stubborn bacteria infection. So let's go and discuss the more and more information, most important information. Okay, now it's time to understand why antibiotic resistance occurs. Actually, why it occurs. So let's discuss the cause. Antibiotic resistance occurs because bacteria can adapt and change over time. When antibiotics are used to treat your bacterial infections, okay, they kill off most of the bacteria. However, a few bacteria might have natural genetic, okay, variation that make them less susceptible to the antibiotics. So these antibiotic resistant bacteria survive and multiply, passing on their resistance traits to their offspring. So it is just like a simple language, like antibiotic resistance means bacteria is surviving during the time of you are taking the medicine of antibiotics. So the overuse, okay, I repeat, the overuse or misuse of antibiotics can also contribute to antibiotic resistance. So be careful when you take the medicine. Be careful when antibiotics are used unnecessarily. You are taking the antibiotic unnecessarily without having any kind of weakness, without any kind of illness, or not taken as prescribed as well as by the doctor. It should be taken by the doctor. So it can create an environment where the bacteria are more likely to develop resistance. Okay, so in summary, I would like to conclude the whole shitty petty things, now the scary things. Okay, so antibiotic resistance occurs due to the natural ability of bacteria to adapt and survive in the presence of antibiotics you are taking, as well as the overuse or improper use of these medications, which encourages the development of resistance. So this is all I wanted to say to you. So stay tuned with Mission Parivartan. Thank you so much. Keep watching our video.